Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to enter into your DFU mode, direct firmware update mode. This is a hidden feature, a hidden mode to reset or to make a factory reset in case of trouble, freeze frame, or dysfunction of your Apple iPhone 12 Pro. It is a little bit tricky. We are going to need our Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and we're going to need a laptop, notebook, or an iMac or a personal computer. And you will need iTunes. iTunes has to be started right now before we are connecting the iPhone with our computer. This is important. If we performed that, then we will need a Lightning to USB cable and the iPhone, of course. So we have trouble with our iPhone. The hard reset does not work. It does not solve our problems. So we have an iPhone without screen, without any function. Then we can use iTunes plus the iPhone to reset the device. That will be delete all data on your phone. Okay, this is important. This is the last step before you have to contact the Apple support. So let's start. We have to connect now the Lightning cable with our iPhone. And the other side, the USB side, we have to connect on our notebook, laptop, personal computer, or iMac. Then we have buttons on our smartphone. On the left side, volume up, volume down. On the right side, the power button. The first thing what we are going to do is we are rebooting, or we perform a hard reset. But plus, additionally, after the reboot and the hard reset, we have to perform another additional steps. First step is volume up, volume down, then push the power button until the device will be reboot. If the device is rebooting, black screen, then we are pushing and holding the volume down button for approximately 5 seconds. After this, we keep holding the power and the volume down button, and after approximately 5 seconds, we release the power button on the right side. And we keep pushing on the volume down button until the screen tells us that the iPhone is detected in DFU mode. So now let's perform this. We enter the phone to our device, like a personal computer, etc. And then let's go. We push volume up, volume down, and power button, and keep pushing until you see the black screen and the reboot. That will cost 5 seconds. Now push the volume down button and hold the power button for approximately 5 seconds. After that 5 seconds, we release the right power button and keep pushing the volume down button until the computer tells us that there is a device like this iPhone detected, and we can remove all data of it. Okay, that's really easy, as you can see. Then we are in DFU mode, and we can reset it while using iTunes. The iPhone is now shut off and does not have any function. Then we have to reset it. Otherwise, if you do not like to reset it, then we have two options. The first option is to wait 20 minutes. Then it will go automatically into reset mode. but all data are still on the phone. And if you like to remove the iPhone from iTunes by after 3 minutes, etc., then we have to perform volume up, volume down, and power button. Keep pushing that to hold back or to bring back the iPhone to the standard way rebooting mode. Okay? We will see now that the iPhone is rebooting. Nice, isn't it? So I repeat. First step is open iTunes. Then connect the iPhone within line with an USB to a lightning cable to your device. And then push volume up, volume down, power button. Keep holding power button until the device is rebooting. Then additionally push volume down button and keep holding both the power button and the volume down button. After approximately 5 seconds, release the power button and keep holding the volume down button. Now we enter the DFU mode. And if the iTunes is telling us we have we have seen that this iPhone is in DFU mode, we can restore the device with iTunes. And after this, you have a clear factory reset on your device and you can reset up this device. This is the last step to troubleshoot some failures. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.